Flag Football Set, and Referee Kit 12-Player by Curious About Fitness. Curious About Fitness seems to place a premium on some of the extras that most parents value for their children and for their budget. For this reason, it's considered the most complete flag football kit for kids. The all-weather equipment is rip-resistant. They provide 3 long, heavy fabric flags per belt, attached by Velcro to their 48-inch adjustable nylon belts. The benefits to you of these features is that the sturdier equipment provides less chance of injury and less need to replace the flags and belts. This is the only one of the 12 packages reviewed here that comes with 2 carry bags for all of the equipment, a PVC carry case with a handle, and a drawstring stuffed bag for extra equipment. They have even thought about the referees that are used in league games by including a referee kit with a high visibility vest and a whistle on a yellow lanyard. However, the referee kit can also be fun for dad or mom to use in refereeing family games. This is a set, unlike some others, that is geared for flag football games for both kids and adults. As a bonus, their money-back guarantee does not appear to have a 30-day restriction, since it states, "If you're not 100% satisfied with your new flag football kit, contact us for a full refund."